today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can cash out your money in Tello app, new live streaming app that I just introduced, I think last week. Okay, so if you go to my recent video, you're going to see that I made a video about Tello app. Okay, how you can register step by step, how you can actually perform your tax on the app. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can cash out your money in your local currency worldwide. Okay, so some people complain that this doesn't see cash out option. Some people complain that the tax is not counting. Like, I was confused. Okay, I decided to make this video. Okay, this video is not a sponsored video. Okay, this is what I do. Okay, so but before I proceed, disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. I am not sponsored by Tello app. Okay, this video is based on my personal experience. You are free to do your own research before investing your time or investing your money in this live streaming app. Do your own research very well before proceeding to invest. Okay, very important. Now, this is what you are going to find on this video. You are going to find out how you can perform your tax, which I have said before, but I want to include it again. And you're going to find out how you can actually withdraw your money in your local currency worldwide. And also, you're going to find out how you can actually sell coins. If you're like if you're an agent and you're interested to sell coins, you're going to find out on this video. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, I am Faith. All I do here is I test and reveal an app where you can actually earn extra income online. Okay, so this is what I do here. I share my personal experience, I share what works for me and what didn't work for me on this channel. Okay, if you're interested of earning extra income online, just like survey app, live streaming app, any earning app, I bring it here to share. As far as I'm doing it, I bring it here to share. Let's waste much of your time, guys. Let's dive into the main video now. I'm doing my tax there. All you need to do is for you to click on the reward option. If you click on reward option, it's going to take you on claim reward. You need to click on claim reward. It's going to bring you to this interface. As you can see, new host tax. You can see I've received 80k. Okay, I've completed my task. I recorded this thing step by step just to show you guys that my own doesn't, like, it doesn't disturb me at all. So maybe you are encountering issue like your tax is not counting. All you need to do for is to stay on mic. Okay, don't just sit on mic and minimizing from one app to another. If you minimize from one app to another, your tax is not going to count. There is a lot of app I've encountered this. Okay, some of us that is doing a lot of app, you'll be saying, let me just sit on this one, let me just sit on at the same time. It doesn't work that way. That is an app that will minimize. You will not be able to receive your tax. Okay, that is another thing that will cause this thing. Okay, just make sure when you're doing your tax, stick on your mic. Once you stick on your mic, there is no way your tax will not count, unless it depends on your region. Oh. I'm just sharing my experience because since I've been performing my tax on this app, like, I have been receiving my reward. Okay, right now I'm going to show you how you can actually cash out your money, and if you want to become agency, you can see now. The first video I made, I haven't become an agent. Then you can see that I haven't recharged coins. I'm still doing my newbie reward. Okay, you can see host, agency, coin seller. This is my agency dashboard. Okay, if you're an agency, this is how you're going to be seeing your dashboard on the app, or you want to become an agency, this is how you're going to be seeing your dashboard. Okay, for people that like to sell coins on the app, selling coins on their local currency, this is how you can able to go about it. If you click on coin seller, this is how you're going to be seeing your interface. Okay, you're going to see my balance. As you can see, it is zero. I haven't recharged anything yet, and I haven't even try recharge. I haven't even exchange. Okay, you can see custom is where you're going to be put in your price that you want to recharge, and the minimum you can with recharge here, if you're a coin seller on this app, the minimum you can recharge here is actually $100. That's the reason why I tell you that before you proceed to download this app and do it, make sure you do your own research before proceeding on this particular place, like recharge coins and selling coins on the app. Okay, so you can see that the minimum you can recharge here for you to sell coins on the app, we need to recharge at least $100 for you to sell coins on the app, sell the coins to users. But there is something a lot of people don't know. Before you can proceed to start selling coins to users, always make sure that people already know you. Maybe you have a host type from your country. Always note that before selling coins on the app, you are going to be selling it to your country people that is on the app, because they're going to be using um local currency to purchase coins from coin sellers that is on the country. Maybe for instance, now you're from Nigeria and you want to buy coins. You cannot tell me say if you want to buy coins, you will go to people that are from maybe say Ethiopia to no. You are going to be looking for a coin seller from Nigeria so that it can be easier for you to transfer. Okay, this is how this place work. Before proceeding, do your own research, and this is how you can able to cash out your money. You can see cash out, you can see exchange, you can see transfer. Okay, you can see coin seller for people that want to willing to sell coins, people that know what selling coins is all about. If you don't know how to sell coins, investigate very well before dealing with it. Okay, now you can see payment method. If you click on payment method, it's going to show you Ethiopia. You need to go ahead and tap on it. I'm going to make sure I tap on it. Okay, so if I tap on it, I'm going to choose Nigeria. You can see Nigeria USDT, TRC20, Binance, ePay, PalmPay, bank transfer. If you look at it now, you're going to see that Ethiopia, Nigeria, Philippines, Indonesia, in fact, worldwide local currency is available on this app. Maybe you are not seeing your own withdrawal method on this app. All you need to do is for you to choose any country you are seeing here. Maybe you choose Nigeria. For instance, now you choose Nigeria. You can actually go ahead and use your USDT. Okay, your cryptocurrency, yes, USDT, use it to withdraw. If you are not seeing your payment method, or choose any country, maybe you choose United States and you see USDT, you need to go ahead and use your USDT wallet and withdraw. Only if it does not see your own local bank here. Okay, so but if you are from Ethiopia, Nigeria, Philippines, a lot of countries have their own withdrawal method on this app. Okay, you can see USD. Okay, see USD. As you can see that if you want to withdraw with USDT, you want to withdraw with a bank, you can use it. But if you want to withdraw it through PayPal, just make sure you have PayPal USA. Okay, before you made a mistake. Okay, so make sure you use PayPal USA to withdraw. Make sure you cross-checking it before proceeding for people that want to use PayPal on this app. Okay, so right now you're going to see that a lot of countries are here, and it is not that hard for you to withdraw, and the minimum you can withdraw here is 1 million points. Okay, as you can see, 100k is actually $1 on this app. Okay, this is how you can actually to navigate withdrawal process and withdraw. So always note that updates can change at any time. You know it is a new app. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on my next